Today, we're breaking down Coinbase, from its beginnings as a beginner-friendly crypto exchange to its evolution into a full-blown financial hub. We'll cover fees, security, new product launches, controversies, major updates, and whether Coinbase still deserves your trust in 2026. If you're buying your first Bitcoin, comparing exchanges, or deciding where to stash your crypto, this video will save you time, money, and headaches. Hey guys, welcome back, Preo Promo. And after covering crypto markets for over 10 years, I've seen how exchanges evolve, grow, and sometimes fail. Today, we're doing a no-nonsense, data-driven Coinbase analysis. We'll look at what makes Coinbase one of the most searched and talked-about platforms in crypto, how it compares to others, what's actually new in 2025-2026, and whether its reputation stands up to scrutiny. Section 1. What Coinbase really is? Coinbase started in 2012 with a simple mission: make buying and selling crypto as easy as online banking. Founded by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, it quickly became known as the most beginner-friendly exchange in the US, supporting dozens of major coins and a simple fiat on-ramp for newbies. Today, Coinbase is more than an exchange. It's an ecosystem including basic crypto buy-sell, advanced trade with real order books, self-custody base app, formerly Coinbase Wallet, staking, earn programs and more, institutional custody and trading services, prediction markets and tokenized assets, 2025 roadmaps. Coinbase now serves millions of users in over 100 countries and has become a major bridge between traditional finance and crypto. Section 2. Coinbase's Everything Exchange Vision. 4.7. In late 2025, Coinbase announced a massive strategic update, working to become an everything exchange, not just a crypto marketplace. These roadmap items include stock and ETF trading inside the Coinbase app, prediction markets, futures and perpetuals, expanded Solana and Base network assets, custom stablecoins and tokenization tools. This shift puts Coinbase in direct competition with not just crypto exchanges, but traditional brokers like Robinhood, Webull, and others trying to combine stocks plus crypto in one place. This is major because Coinbase isn't just serving crypto traders. It's now courting stocks traders, prediction market users, and institutional clients. Section 3. Fees, the good, the bad, and the truth. One of the most searched and debated topics around Coinbase is fees. Here's how it roughly works. Standard buy, sell, 0.5% spread plus cost depending on payment method. Debit card purchases, up to 3.999%. AC bank transfers, lower fees, 0.5 to 1.5%. Advanced trade maker taker, 0.40, 0.60%, drops with volume. Now here's the nuance. Coinbase's on-screen fees are often higher than competitors like Binance or Kraken. Many Reddit users complain about unexpectedly high fees on simple buys, sometimes above 3% for small transactions. So yes, Coinbase is beginner-friendly, but not the cheapest platform for frequent traders. If you use Advanced Trade or Coinbase One subscription, fees drop significantly, which is crucial for long-term users. Quick pause for a second. If this breakdown is helping you understand what's really happening in the Coinbase market, not hype, not fear, just real structure and data, then make sure you hit the like button. It genuinely helps this video reach people who need clarity during volatile markets like this. And if you're new here, subscribe Preo Promo. Section 4. Security and Trust. Real Risks and Incidents. 13 gas. Security is the backbone of any exchange. Coinbase stores 98% of user funds in cold storage and uses industry-standard encryption plus two-factor authentication, which protects many users from large thefts. However, the platform hasn't been without issues. Recently, Coinbase confirmed an insider security breach where a contractor leaked customer data, names, emails, and other sensitive info, affecting around 30 users. While no funds or passwords were directly stolen, such incidents raise valid concerns about insider risk, data governance, and internal controls. In addition, multiple community reports highlight support delays and account access frustrations that add another layer to user experience concerns. Security and trust aren't just about hacks. They're about account operations, human factors, and support responsiveness. Section 5. How Coinbase compares to other exchanges. 13 Cork 17 Gak. Coinbase is often pitted against heavyweights like Binance, Kraken, Crypto.com, and others. Here's the breakdown. Binance. More competitive fees, wider coin selection, deeper liquidity. Kraken. Cheaper fees, strong security, slower onboarding. Coinbase. Best fiat on-ramp for US clients, straightforward interface, trusted brand. Compared to Binance, Coinbase charges higher beginner fees, but Coinbase often wins on regulatory compliance and user trust for North American users. Kraken may be cheaper, but long-term users often choose Coinbase for fiat convenience, institutional tools, and portfolio simplicity. Section 6. Features for beginners versus advanced users. For beginners, simple buy-sell interface, easy fiat deposits, built-in learning rewards, clear asset overviews. For advanced traders, Coinbase Advanced Trade with real order books, charting, and low fees, spot pairs and derivatives, stop limit orders, technical indicators, API access for algo traders. One major trend in 2026 is active portfolio tools. Coinbase's roadmap hints at AI-powered advisory functions that help manage portfolios for users who aren't full-time traders. Section 7. Global expansion and regulation. Coinbase is one of the few exchanges aggressively pursuing global regulatory compliance. In Canada, for example, Coinbase became the first major global crypto exchange with restricted dealer status, expanding operations legally across the regulated financial environment there. This matters because many exchanges operate in gray regulatory zones, but Coinbase is pushing into regulated territory, which lowers legal risk and increases institutional confidence. Section 8. Trends and what's next for Coinbase. Some of the biggest trends you must watch. Tokenized stocks inside Coinbase app, a game changer merging crypto plus traditional finance, prediction markets and perps rollout, new trading verticals coming to millions of users, custom stablecoins and on-chain token issuance solutions, a potential new revenue stream. Coinbase's overall strategy is less about being just an exchange and more about being a financial infrastructure hub. Conclusion. Should you use Coinbase in 2026? Here's the truth. Coinbase is excellent for beginners and those who want a simple fiat to crypto ramp. It's hugely reputable and regulated, a key advantage for US traders. The expanding feature set shows long-term ambition. Its fees can be high if you don't optimize trades. Some users report support and fee transparency issues, valid concerns to keep in mind. So if you're starting out or want secure fiat access, Coinbase is a strong contender. But be fee-savvy, explore advanced trade for lower costs, and always practice safe security habits. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, promo, and drop a comment on what exchange you're using right now and why. I'll be doing a follow-up comparing Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken live, so let me know who you want me to analyze next.